Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video. No excuse at all. I've just been super busy with prom, graduation, birthday parties, baseball. I wanted to hop on here and share with you this box that I received yesterday. I wanted to hop on yesterday, but we had a game yesterday, so I had to run out of the house right when I saw it at my porch. But I'm here now. I have the box here. I hope that I have my address on there. Anyways, I ordered this back in January. Customer service is amazing. Shipping wasn't. Long story short, the box is here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this with you guys. I'm so excited. I've been wanting these for the longest time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I hope everyone's good. I don't even remember the last time I was on here. If you guys want to keep up with me, I'm more on Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that. And I post there like every day. So if you guys want to follow me, I'll go ahead and put my Instagram handle right here. I didn't think it was gonna come with a box, but so these shoes I've been wanting for a long time. So they packaged it really well, obviously. So they sent this product out back in January, and they contacted me, I think in February, because I ordered them for spring break, and I didn't receive them. So they contacted me asking me if I received them yet, which I told them no. And so they gave me a tracking number, and when I tracked it, it said that Customs had it, and Customs sent it back. So then when I screenshotted that and I sent it to the company, to the customer service, they apologized and they shipped me out another pair, which was very nice. I don't know what happened. I don't know why. The box is really in bad shape. I can see it now. So here is the box. Really bad shape. I'm just hoping they're as cute as they were online. So it comes with this little receipt thing here, customer copy, payment. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's so crazy how they do this stuff. Yeah, the box is really tore up. Look at that. Oops. It's really bad. Really in bad shape. Hold on. Yeah, so this box is all tore up, but okay. So you got your receipt, which was nice. Then it comes with a little dust bag, and it's kind of faded. I'm not sure if you can see it right there. Excuse my nails. I haven't done them yet, but it's kind of faded right there. Which I never use dust bags anyways, but that's okay. So they're in here. They're so cute, you guys. Yeah. I'm so excited. Aren't they so cute? So at the bottom it says 39, and I think I got a size 7.5, a 7.5 or an 8, I'm not sure. I think it did say to size up. So here it is. I think these are so cute. Here's the other one. And they came perfect for summertime. I didn't get them for spring, but they came perfect for summer. So these are them. I think they're so cute. So these I ended up, I think I paid like $40, $40 or $50 for these, but I had a coupon. And I have this seller's information, but like you guys know, you can't share the seller. You have to contact me through Instagram, and I will try my best to give you their information. They normally don't like you to give them or give away their information through YouTube, or their site will get shut down, or my video will get shut down as well. But yeah, I'll definitely share that with you guys if you would like. Yeah, these are cute. I really like them. And that material is really nice. Like, it's a really thick canvas. Really thick canvas material. And I did choose, these are in the khaki color. I know they had a pink and a black color. I might end up getting, I think I wanted the black one as well. So I might order the black one. And it's like a cork board. It's like, well, it's actually thicker than a cork board material. But it has a little bit of a heel on it. So it's not flat. But, and it says made in Italy. And then the size. And then it has the little detailing right here. The stitching looks really good. There's no, if you can see the stitching on there. It looks really good. Yeah, I'm so excited. And there's no like funky smell or anything. I'm not sure, are these supposed to be leather or they're supposed to be cork? I don't know exactly what the real sandal is supposed to look like or be like on the bottom, like if it's supposed to be leather or cork material. If you know, comment down below, let me know. I don't know the difference from what the real or the dupe is supposed to look like, so don't come after me with your judgments, but whatever. I like them. I think they're cute. They're going to be fun for summer for sure, with like a really cute dress, or what I actually have on. I have on a little romper. I might have to stand up and show you guys. But yeah, these are cute. I would definitely, because because I'm a size, let me see. These are so cute. I definitely need to do my toenails, but I'm so excited, you guys. Yeah, so these actually, it took me about, let me see. So I ordered them in January, so I got them in, what are we, in May? But they did, it wasn't their fault. It was customs took the package and then returned them. So I don't know, they were really good about it. They were very communicative, and they contacted me and let me know that, you know, asking if I received the package and stuff like that. So yeah, so I don't know why customs took the package, but it is what it is. I got my shoes. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to be using these this summer. They seem like they're very comfortable. Let me go ahead and stand up and model them for you guys, and I will put in a clip. But also let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, because I want to start, you know, getting more active on YouTube. I know I'm more active on Instagram. I do share a bunch of like beauty and fashion stuff on Instagram, videos like this where I order stuff from DHgate or Wish or whatnot, and you know, do reviews on them, or if you want me to do makeup tutorials or try-ons or stuff like that. But let me know, you guys, and I'll definitely start doing more of these. But let me do a little clip, and I hope you enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Okay guys, so here are these shoes. Excuse my cord. I'm, like I said, recording, but here are these shoes. They're so cute. Excuse my mirror dirty side, but here's my outfit with the shoes. So cute. And I did size up, so like them.